are you? I hope you all are fine at your home. Student, this is your workbook exercise. Okay, so today we will do workbook exercise of block 18. So open page number 10 of block 18. So today we will do S1. First, write here date. Today's date is 5 January 2021 and the day is Tuesday. So students, S1 is exploring material, means understand what is a material. As I explained you in the reading portion that every material is made up of matter. Matter is of three type. या तो कोई भी चीज सॉलिड होगी, either liquid और कैसी होगी, गैस. मीन्स मैटर कैन बी एग्जिस्ट इन थ्री फॉर्म, कैन बी सॉलिड, कैन बी लिक्विड, कैन बी गैस. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो टुडे वी विल स्टडी अबाउट दिस इन दिस वर्कबुक एक्सरसाइज. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, कंप्लीट द टेबल. सो with watching this picture you have to fill these questions. Candle fume is a gas. Okay students, so is the shape fixed? गैस का कोई फेस शेप जो शेप है वो फिक्स्ड होगा? नो. Is the amount of space is occupied fixed? No. Space can spread everywhere. Suppose at our home sometime gas is leaking, so the gas can spread everywhere and smell is coming. Can it flow? Yes, gas can flow from one place to another. Chalk having shape fixed? Yes, every solid have fixed shape. Is the amount of space is occupied fixed? Yes. Can it flow? No, solid cannot flow. Coffee is a liquid, so shape fixed? No. In container which you are putting, coffee is taking the shape of that container. If you are putting the coffee in the cup, then the shape of coffee is like mug. When you are putting the coffee in a jar, the shape of coffee is like jar. Is the amount of space occupies fixed? Yes. Can it flow? Yes, liquid can flow. Plate, solid. Is the shape fixed? Yes. Amount of space occupied is fixed? Yes. Can it flow? No. Water. Is the shape fixed? No. Amount of space occupied is fixed? Yes. When you put your water in this glass, the shape of water is according to this glass. And when you put your water in the jug, then the shape of water is according to jug. Okay students, question number 2, list the things from the picture that are solid and give reason for your choice. So students, write plate and chalk. Okay, plate and chalk are solid. Okay, they have fixed shape. Okay, and take same amount of space. Okay, they are taking same amount of space. आप प्लेट को टेबल के ऊपर रखो या प्लेट को कबर्ड में रखो, they are taking same amount of space. Okay, because their shape does not change. Question number 3, which item are liquid and give reasons? So write with me, coffee and water. Okay, and why they are liquid? Yes, they can flow. They can flow from one place to another, and they take same amount of space. Okay, they take same amount of space. Their shape change. Shape तो change होगा इनका, लेकिन जो space है they are taking is same. Either you are putting in a glass, they are taking same space. Okay, and when you are putting the water or liquid into a jug, they are taking same space. Their space तो same होगी, but they do not have fixed shape. Which of the following item is similar to air? कौन सा item air से similar है? Yes, fumes of, write with me, fumes from candle. Okay, they both have Yes, they sorry student, they both do not have, yes, they both do not have fixed shape. इनकी कोई fixed shape दोनों की ही नहीं होती है. And both can flow. Yes, okay, from one place to another. Okay students, so do this workbook exercise and we will meet in the next class. Okay students, bye bye, take care.